Good morning! Good morning, my love. Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning to the view.
Here's our bebe. Walk-in coffee date namin today ni Papa. Thank you. Look at the weather. Beautiful weather today.
Sino umaway? Sino? Para ka nabubulunan na ako. Opo.
Welcome to Papa and Maya's podcast.
Opo.
Chika Minute.
Ano, nag-eat ba yan? Sarap? Talaga? Tingin naman. Oh. Alin? Anong kinain mo? Ha? Oh. Oh. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Eh. Opo.
We decided to come home dahil pinauwi na kami ng dalawang ate. So ngayon nandito kami sa beach, nagpapahangin because Mia's not feeling well. Meron kasi siyang cough and may sipon ka rin ba, baby? For a week na. Yeah, 1 week na kasi. So
I'm so palpitating, even though I didn't drink just even a little spurt.
pero nagdi-drink ka ba ng water? Baka dehydrated ka
I
rin.
drank a lot of water last night, and then my throat feels so dry.
This is our baby.
Mom, I think this one's getting warm. Before her, Dad is making her run, even though he said, don't run na lang. And then when she does not run, she's let go of the frisbee. Why are you getting the frisbee? You're supposed to run and catch and throw. Dad is built different He's like Thomas, diba? Sa Maze Runner, no? Mom,
Mm.
Mom, may papawas part of Maze Runner. It's just like, If I will remember. Okay. Know him. Who's really gonna...
Not vegetable food. You know,
Pero it's
tapos vegetable. Oh, that's okay. It's healthy. Umorder ka ba?
Ayoko. Magbabangus talaga ako.
Dagdag ulit.
Kailangan kong iyan. Kailangan ko gawin yung blue.
I hate eating ramen. Something.
Basta na.
Like yan nakagabi. You just keep looking at me. And I noticed that. Yung pala may mga scale ako ng bango sa face.
Kailangan ko same. Kaso kasi mataas sa calories yung bangus.
Love ko lang yung mga calories.
Oo, alam ko yun. Pero yung sa quantity na makukuha mo sa bangus, hindi ka mabubusog.
But so good.
Oo, hindi. Ang point is, kailangan na bubusog.
Imagine lahat ng bangus na kinain ko kahapon. 70 calories.
What is the kind that makes you full? Like
Protein.
protein?
Kasi, for example, you eat chips. They're so high in calories but you don't get full because it's empty calories. That's why what happens is you keep on eating it. So you go beyond your recommended calories for the day. You get fat.
You gain weight.
You gain weight. Hindi na uso.
But if you work out at least, or like that, but if you work out, but you also eat healthy food, like at least some gulay, you're healthy, but not too much of... No, yung mga yun, I don't know this like, not obese, how do I find the right word? Like, overweight, compared to mga...
Fat na lang.
Good morning! Good morning, guys. Morning na. Pero marami kaming flashlights because today is a scheduled power outage here in Boracay. So, 13 hours siya. Ini-schedule naman siya ahead, pero may time talaga na hindi scheduled. Siguro pinakamalala 4 days na walang kuryente. So ngayon, 5 a.m. siya nag-start. It's already 6:30. So we just decided na minsan nagsistay kami the whole day dito sa bahay. May mga power station kami. But today, we decided na ipa-vaccine na lang si baby kasi June na rin naman siya today. So, we're gonna travel in Calibo. That's around 1.5 hours. But we're gonna eat breakfast muna kasi magugutom kami. And ayan si baby, vaccine. And the whole family. Good morning. Good morning, Papa.
Morning, girls.
Good morning, ate. So, camping kami ngayon. Breakfast.
Survival kit.
Deluxe. Tapos di namin bubuksan yung ref kasi may yogurt kami, may pump breast milk ako dyan. Para hindi sila masira.
Mashira.
Yes. Social. Kain, let's have breakfast. May binili akong remind me after breakfast. I bought you Bonamine.
What's going on?
It's anti-hilo, so you will not feel hilo during the travel. Cause
I
the
was asking for the inhaler.
yeah, no, the white flower, I have it. Cause the girls doesn't want to come with us talaga. Ayaw nila mag-travel with us kasi nga nahihilo sila kahit pa yung nag-try na kami ng bus.
I don't get helos sa car.
Saan ka
Bawal ka man
na?
ng plastic.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
yeah,
what,
yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, the poo bag of Simba.
I like that. But What else?
Bring po bag.
The poo bag is too small, ah.
Okay na yun kasi mas ano. Here. Ito sa mga frisbee, ano.
I don't know. Like that.
Asan? Para hindi na tayo magbuban.
Magkamay.
Bumili na rin ako ng mga paper plate eh, kasi we have visitors coming.
Nakamay po. Nakamay. Smile.
Ashes, hindi niya alam, injection yan today.
Masaya pa yan. Nakamay.
Injection! Atay! Injection!
Injection ba? Show to them.
Yeah. Mag-injection yan.
Look at mama. Look at the video.
Breakfast. Done breakfast. Check up din pala ni Ate Yan at Mia today. Sasabay na namin sila ng check up kay baby. Kasi si Mia, 1 week na siyang may actually, lahat kami tinamaan ng flu. Pero si Mia yung pinaka nauna. Tapos hanggang ngayon, may loose phlegm siya. So, papacheck lang namin. Kailangan ba niya ng x-ray, ganyan. Pero you said you're feeling better na, baby.
Maybe.
Ate Yana, where are you? No, you need to inom your gamot.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, it's up to you. Busog ako. Mamaya na lang siguro tayo. Doon na tayo bumili ng water.
Sige.
Later, pa uwi, we can inom again. Bonamine. Pero si-search ko pala yung dosage. Hindi ako sure kung good for the day na to.
I still have probiotics. Is that okay?
Yeah, this is chewable also. Yan. Let's see if it's gonna be effective.
Okay na.
Hindi, susot ko si baby, diba?
I'll do the cross for you.
I can.
No, it's not.
So, no.
Tatabi ko na to.
Wait, we're gonna show how
Yeah,
to wear
like that.
baby.
You have to make like
No,
that.
I can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Wait,
how it works.
so,
Nasaan yung phone mo?
nandiyan sa pocket, I think. Tapos, the way we're gonna do this.
Why does it look like it's afternoon when it's 7 a.m.? 7 a.m. is usually already hot. 12 for sure very hot.
What?
12 p.m. is very hot. I can move it if you want.
No, it's not what I want, baby. It's for your own good. Kasi baby.
Sakay mo na si baby.
Kasi. Okay, so we're using a Saya carrier. Put the time Paris, baby, so you can like flaunt your fashion ideas. But I'm not sure if it's appropriate for this time or not. Yung fashion idea mo.
Ito.
Yan, okay, that works. And here, tama ba, Mia? This is where? No, actually, makikita ko saan siya isushoot eh. It's here pala.
Hindi inside.
Yes. Tapos, tama ba pa? Or hindi?
Yan, sa baba. Yan, dyan.
Tapos spread.
Mom.
Hothead, baby. Mamaipit mong naiipit na yung baby. Mali. Ito muna eh.
Take out ko muna siya.
Dahil magturo.
Take out.
Sabi mo.
muna. Isa muna, ha?
Mm.
One by one. Tapos saka mo isusot tong kabila. Okay?
Yun.
Nagsuot.
Don't discourage. Madali lang to. Let's go!
Tulog.
We're already in the hospital. Nakapila. Nandito muna kami sa cafe. Hi. We have empanada, sandwich. Ano yung sandwich na in-order nila? Barbecue and lemon lush and matcha.
Oh, ate ako. Sure kayo.
Isa lang laban.
Saan tayo punta?
We are walking. We're
So-
gonna complete our steps. Ilang steps mo yun?
6'7". 6'7".
Ako 3K pa lang. So, ano tayo sa face ko? Tayo.
Mm.
Okay.
Saan?
So, 7K.
Dito mahaba, no?
3.5. Hindi. Iba yung ano niya.
Buti nakita mo to.
Oo. Alam ko naman yung basket mo dun. Bakit na si baby?
Wait. Maganda yung camera niya, maliwanag. Maliit lang yung angle.
Mas maluwag ba yung sa'yo?
Tignan nga natin for comparison purposes. Puntahan namin ng mga ate.
And vitamin D.
Uy! May malusog. May malusog dyan, ah. Puputok na, ah. Putok na mukha niya, na. Asan na sila? Let's look for them. Baka nagtitraining. Back to training na sila. Where are they? Wala sila dini. Baka hanapin nila tayo, ma.
Wait lang. Sure ka wala ba?
Wala.
I like the pistachio this one. Should we try the other?
Okay.
Can we go and separate? Or is it more?
Kuha kami ng 3 scoops. Pero ano lang ba yung wine mo? Okay. So we can list yung sa 1 cup. Okay. Pero pwede siya tatlong flavors. Oo. So we'll get the chocolate again and then the pistachio. And what's the third one?
Yeah, ube?
Kuya ube. Ano suggest me ube? What's the other flavor we tried last time?
We tried strawberry.
Kuya, what's yours? Vanilla? It's scoop nga. Flavor here. Sure. What's the Let's share over all that.
Oh, three of us tried different flavors.
Ma'am, kunin mo sa ayan ba? Yung card.
What's this?
Pistachio.
Sabi yung pistachio.
Oh, yun nga sabi ni ate, magugustuhan mo. You know Papa so well. You know Papa so
Masarap
well.
din naman yung chocolate.
Ako Papa so well.
Sabi yung chocolate.
Ube.
Wow,
The ube is really good.
yeah, the ube is good.
Ube is good.
our 13th wedding anniversary here in Discovery, Boracay. Sa Station 1 to, guys. And dinala namin ang kids kasi birthday daw ng ang wedding anniversary is birthday ng family. So 13 years na itong family na to. It started nung wedding day namin ni Papa. Kaya it's a family celebration. Pinapatulog ko tong isa. Here's the place. Hi, Papa. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary na.
I love you. Hi, Ate Ana. Hi, Ate Mia. Ay, naglungat siya.
Yun na pa nung sa mga
You can add it to your pizza din.
Na.
tastes like our Diba, Papa? Tastes like our Parmesan, or is it different? The Parmesan one.
Look at this is our seafood soup appetizer. Para tayong nasa culinary class wars, ha?
And it's real.
Pizza. What pizza to?
Margherita pizza.
Ay, hindi ba tayo 4 cheese?
Ay, hindi.
Oh, pizza.
Then this is, what's this one? Soup di mare ba to?
Yes.
Seafood.
Actually, we ordered risotto kasi favorite namin si Napoli Mafia sa Culinary Class Wars Part 1. So, first time namin ng risotto. Makakatry. And this is what it looks like. Ay, pizza yan. Hindi yan. Tada! Okay, let's pray. How was it, my love?
Ito pala lasa ng
Is it
risotto.
your... Let's try yung risotto. Alam lang namin rice.
Tastes like mac and cheese.
Lasang,
Parang sinok na siya na rice.
hindi, saka lasang 5 spice. Yung karne.
Seven meal tastes like mac and cheese.
Let's try the seafood soup.
Just one per steak, sir. Mapili ka. Anong gusto mo mapili?
Ikaw na lang.
The wood, steel, ivory, and plastic.
Wood na lang, no?
Okay.
Yun mo. Thank you.
Thank you. Hindi. Siya na maghihiwa sa akin.
Isa lang.
Thank you so much.
See how it tastes like.
So, pinapili kami ng knife. Steel,
Trying the
wood, basagin,
Seafood
di ko alam yung isa, and plastic.
Black na. It is black spoon, white spoon.
So, casseroles.
Dad, black spoon, white spoon. Right, casserole.
Can you let me try with the...
Acidic for me. Chop yung shrimp mo. Chop yung ano. Ano yan? Ang dahon ng dahon.
Get the shrimp is important.
Can you give me pizza na may love?
Oh.
Tapos risotto.
Very Italian. I love it.
And very small serving. Very mayaman. Mamaya,
Get your pizza.
Ayan.
soup is really good. Here, the shrimp is here.
Maybe can you himay with the shell? Thank you, my love.
Nero, saka ano pa? Steak.
Is it hard? I can have Papa do it. This is their pizza slice.
So we have risotto, soup, and pizza. Steak, saka pasta. Tikim-tikim lang tayo. Pero pwede kumain maraming steak.
Oh, I want Tabasco. Can you hand me?
So this is good.
Love mo ba yung mga yung mussels? Ay, is it mine? Sorry, kaya pala hindi mo pinakain. Thank you. Hinimay ni ate yung mussels ko. 1, 2, 3, go.
I love them so much. My favorite.
That's
I
awesome.
Can you soak up into this? Why is it so big? I love their soup. Very hot.
Squid ink pasta and we have our steak. Medium rare, na?
Yep. First bite.
Ay,
Dapat.
wow. Sarap.
Chop.
Pero parang hindi siya juicy, no?
Yun Michi.
Ah, kasi nga hindi pala fatty yung kinuha natin.
Gusto mo yung medyo fatty? Gusto mo yung try yung medyo
Is it
fatty?
the $1 million question? Char.
Okay naman. Yung costata, anong part ng rib eye? Tapos ano pa yung isa? Costi, ano?
Costata, fileto, si fileto di manzo, tenderloin.
Yung isang gamanzo. Yung costata.
Fileto. Yan, si fileto, strip loin, si
Costata.
costata di manzo, rib eye.
Rib eye siya.
Rib eye.
Tapos yung isa,
Tenderloin.
tenderloin.
Then, yung isa, si tomato.
Ito ba? Fatty, ano? So,
No, ito mo na.
ubos mo na. Okay, sige, ubusin mo na na.
Alright.
May order.
Alright po, enjoy lang.
Tagay mo ito, ma.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I got.
Ate, oh. Stick. You want to have, ano, your own knife? You can feed your sister. Hmm?
You want to have your own knife? They can let you choose your knife. Yeah? You like it?
The sauce.
So, can you have one more knife?
Steak knife.
Thank
You choose
Yung,
your... Ano, hindi sila papiliin.
oh, you choose.
You choose that.
I'll eat my broccoli.
Susubuan mo ako pa, di ba? Steak.
Ang sawa.
Okay, the girls are gonna choose their knife. Steak
Sila na.
knife. That's pretty sharp up.
Can you please choose your weapon? We have wood, metal, ivory, and plastic.
I'm not.
How about ivory?
Yeah, I like... Actually, I thought of ivory kanina.
Careful. Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Very good.
Go.
I'm scared. You should toast the steak, not me.
Bigyan mo si Mia. And we're gonna try the pasta in squid ink.
It's black. Hey.
She's smooth. More pasta pa ko. Ay, more pasta. More steak.
Wait na, kainin ko lang to. Video. Steak guys.
But you know, I learned something how you do this. And then it will all fall.
No, Mom. It's that you put the spoon like this. Not
You know how
like
to do that?
Yeah, it's an Italian way.
Take your time. Isa pang steak.
I feel like that.
Ay,
Oo, kaya. Ano yung mustata? Rib eye? Sige.
order mo na.
Here's our menu, sir.
Thank you.
Can I get some?
Itong contro fileto, pareho lang yun ito.
Oh wow, this is very
Ano
yummy.
ito, stick loin, ito, rib eye.
Ano?
Medyo yung ito lang kaiba. Consister, si Quattro Fileto, in order yun. Tapos, masyado yung
Hindi, fileto di ba sa
ito, rib eye.
At ito,
ito.
mas gusto ko ito.
Passionate. What's that movie again? What's that? What's that? Come on, Mama. Let's go. Pwede naman kanin kasi wala kayong kanin dito. Like no rice. Ano sandwich siya?
Ha?
Simple. I feel like,
Masarap na may lemon.
Mama, I did it. Mom.
Ba't pahilaw ng pahilaw yung mga nakakain?
Mom.
Natitikman mo.
Medium
Para
rare.
siyang sashimi.
Rare here.
Mom. Mom.
Yes, mahal.
Now I know why people doesn't really look for rice because like you don't need rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine soup can be your main course.
Yeah. But that's appetizer.
Good.
Your main course.
That's correct. So then it's appetite for
Pero
us.
ang hirap
It's
to gawin
main
eh,
course
no?
already.
Hunting.
Million soup.
Nakakuha mo ba yung squid ink sa squid?
Try. Tap na ito.
Yeah.
Do you get squid ink from squid?
No, I mean, if Papa can get it. So that,
Extract.
yeah.
Good.
Baka sa elephant.
Yeah. I think that's your question.
Parang si ate.
No,
Saan ito
wait,
nakuha?
wait,
Sa dagat. Alam mo?
No, dagat. So what? In the ocean. That's it. Of course, it's in the water too. Well,
Now we're trying yung ribeye steak. Kasi sabi ko na, kasi yung una namin in order, parang lean siya. So, parang naghahanap ako ng medyo fatty. So we're trying the ribeye. Let's show him.
how many pieces you already have? How many pieces you already have? Pizzas. Pizza. Two. That's right. You should have.
I try this. This is good.
Your pizza is not stretchy.
Yeah.
Well, I like it.
And it's not tasty. It's not salt.
Better.
This is what I'm looking for.
Akin na lang. Akin yung lean.
Yan pa yung any crave
Yeah.
ko.
No. This one. Eat this one.
Wow,
Ano
that's
crave
on
ko
your
pa?
tongue.
Magkano?
That's in your tongue now.
Actually, you can have it,
Wait,
ate.
no. Wait.
Yan ba yung unli na? Diba?
Baka.
299.
Is this real?
Hmm?
Is this real?
So good.
It really melts in your mouth. That's why medium rare. It has still some red flesh. But it's actually cooked.
Okay, we're done with the dinner, but we're just getting
Happy with the
started. Super, yeah, super yummy.
You gotta hit the seal.
Seal?
Seal, yung meme.
So, pupunta kami sa rooftop kasi it's nice there. I want to bring the fam there. May stairs go somewhere. Oh, here. Okay. It's beautiful here. And it's mahangin. Malay nyo may dessert. Bakit? Yeah. Kaso kasi gabi na, wala na view. Ay, ayan o. Pwede tayo doon mag-dinner o.
Next time.
Saan ka punta?
Wait, Mom, I thought
Where what?
we're just gonna look around.
No, I just wanna show you here. Hi! Yes,
Saan pwede mag-dinner dito next time?
doon.
Sa ganun. Yung access sa pool is, yes.
Hindi, pwede rin ng ano. Di ba nandito kami nila Ate Miriam?
Pwede rin.
Time for dessert. Pero mag-walk muna kami sa beach. Ibababa muna namin ang aming kinain. So, we're worthy of the dessert. So, hanapin namin yung palabas sa beach. Sabi, hanapin ko yung ramp. May ramp doon. Tapos kailangan mo daw gumulong sa ramp para makarating ka sa
Wait,
beach.
Mom, I have to be a pretzel. You won't be there.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Baka doon sa
Tanong... Okay. Yeah, ha? Pa, let's take a photo.
Wait, ako muna.
Kami muna, ni Papa. Okay.
No, kayo muna.
We are now in B-Mall. We're gonna grab dessert. Oops, parang may ano yung camera. May gusto. Oops. Gising na! Gising na! Okay, dessert ka din? Ha? Yan si Papa, nag-order. Si Ate Yana and Mia ordered popsicles. Ako, yun pa rin. My favorite. Ang favorite ko dito, guys, ito, tabi to ng area sa beachfront to. Sa may D-Mall. Ang favorite ko dito is the classic chocolate and the pistachio.
Kalamansi itong yung nasa ibabaw ito.
What's that? Ano yung kay Mia?
We try each other's now. We'll try one more.
Nakakalaman. Ba't yung pinili mo? Pero unique siya. Tinry namin yung kalamansi. Ay, umiiyak na.
Akin, hindi. Bigyan mo sa akin.
Sure?
Oo, bigyan mo sa akin.
Ito'y may luha. May luha kami.
Bakit?
may hair.
Huwag kami iyak.
Smiley face.
Ito, calamansi ice cream. Maganda tayo patry kay baby pag awan. Wait,
Oh, this is so good.
you like it?
It's like chocolate. Asim.
Try this.
Oh, you tried it? Wait, I want the girls to try.
You know, it hit my arm.
Oh,
Asim.
Mia.
Kalamansi talaga.
Ate, full bite.
That's so sour.
Pa, bakit?
That's kalamansi. Instead of the
Yun ang obstacle na pagkadaanan mo bago mo makuha yung ano.
dark chocolate.
Brown yung hair niya, no? Bakit may brunette dyan? Wala. Love you na sit.
You wanna sing to her?
Let's go continue. Pistachio is my second favorite. Wow, the pistachio. And my chocolate is number 1. My chocolate is my number 1. Chocolate is my number 1.
I like the chocolate popsicle.
How's your popsicle?
I really like it.
Sorry love, I'm skipping the calamansi. Parang nasa sweet side ako ngayon.
I kind of like it. I don't know why, but I like it.
Actually,
How's
mas
the vanilla, good?
So good. It's like mango. I like the dark chocolate.
Enjoy lang kayo. Ikot ko lang to dito. Mag-enjoy lang kayo dito. Take your time.
can I taste? Ito yung kay ate.
Mom, this is the kind of dark chocolate you would love. This is like the kind of dark chocolate you would like. Oh yeah. No, chocolate.
You know, it's nice na nagde-date tayo kasi we're discovering new things eh. Kasi parang as a family, hindi tayo mahilig mag-explore. Unlike na parang, okay, what do you wanna try? Kasi we discovered this when we had our date.
I still remember now. Let's try gelato. And you're like, what magic?
Ha?
What? Iwan ka na. Sunod ka na lang. Ha?
Let's go. Are you okay walking? Papa, pwedeng
Ano?
kapalan natin yung ulo. Asus, nagbuli-buli pa. Nagbuli-buli. Alika lang. We are ending the night and the vlog. Wala pa yung pa-message green. Gift ni Papa for our 13th wedding anniversary. Nagulat ako kasi usually ayoko tumatanggap ng flowers kasi nga nanghihinayang ako. Kasi nga di ba mahal yung mga bouquet of flowers. But wala lang, sobrang na-appreciate ko to kasi ang tagal na nung last. It has been an amazing, miraculously 13 years. Naghugas din ako ng pump kasi gumigising ako na super engorge. So, I have to make sure na available yung pump ko pag gising. In-sterilize ko lang siya here. Hot water lang. And then, i-drain ko na siya in 1 minute. Ganito pa lang siya dinidrain. Ito galing tong dishwasher. Free siya. Tapos, i-drain lang natin siya. Yan, here. Here. Maganda yung ano niya. Yung mga small parts niya is 3 pieces lang. Sobrang daling linisin. Kaya everyday nakakapag-pump ako. Tuwing morning lang naman ako nagpa-pump. Kasi tinitrain lang namin si baby ng 1 pump per day. Kahit nandito ako sa house para hindi niya makalimutan yung bottle. Hindi siya kasi kailangan may milk siya pag nasa meeting ako. Ayan, umiiyak na. Tawag na ako ni Bibi.